Best Remote Job Sites. Episode 2, Revealing Remote Job Sites. Looking for real remote jobs that pay and actually hire? Today, I'm sharing 5 top remote job sites with fresh, legit listings perfect for beginners and pros alike. Welcome to Remote Hustle Europe, where we bring you the best remote job leads every week. If you want to work from home and get paid, hit subscribe and turn on notifications now. First up is Europe Remotely. Europe Remotely focuses on remote jobs for people living in Europe. If you want to work remotely but stay in European time zones, this site is for you. They list jobs in tech, marketing, customer support, design, and more. The site updates often, so the jobs you see are fresh and ready to apply for. No account needed, just browse and apply. Many listings are beginner-friendly with little experience required. Whether you want full-time or part-time, Europe Remotely is worth checking regularly. Next, we have Remotive. Remotive is a popular remote job community and board. They focus on tech, marketing, sales, and customer support jobs. Remotive isn't just a job board, they have a newsletter and a Slack group where remote workers share tips and new opportunities. Jobs are updated daily from startups to large companies worldwide. They carefully vet listings to avoid scams and outdated posts. Many jobs welcome beginners, making it easy to start your remote career here. Sign up for their newsletter to get fresh jobs right in your inbox. The third site is AngelList. AngelList is perfect if you want to work remotely for startups. You create a profile showcasing your skills and experience. Then you apply directly to remote startup jobs in software, marketing, product, and more. You can filter jobs by remote location, making your search faster. Startups often accept candidates with diverse backgrounds and flexible experience. If you want to grow with a fast-moving company remotely, AngelList is a great option. Fourth on the list is Hubstaff Talent. Hubstaff. Talent connects freelancers and remote workers with businesses globally. It's 100% free, no fees or commissions. You create a profile listing your skills, rates, and availability. Employers browse profiles and reach out directly. This means no tough competition with many applicants. Perfect if you want freelance or project-based remote work. Jobs range from web development to writing, marketing, design, and more. Many roles require no previous remote experience. It's beginner-friendly and flexible. Finally, we have Remote OK. Remote OK is a well-known remote job board updated daily with hundreds of new listings. It covers programming, marketing, sales, customer support, design, and more. You can filter jobs by experience level, salary, and job type. Remote OK highlights companies with strong remote work cultures. Many postings are open to beginners looking for flexible hours. Sign up for email alerts to get early access to new jobs. To recap, the 5 best remote job sites are Europe Remotely, Remotive, AngelList, Hubstaff Talent, and Remote OK. Each offers fresh jobs, entry-level options, and a variety of roles. Bookmark these sites and check often. Apply early to improve your chances. Thanks for watching Remote Hustle Europe. If this helped you, please like and share. Subscribe and turn on notifications for weekly remote job updates. Your remote career starts here with good info and persistence. See you next time.